What's up, beautiful people? Welcome and welcome back again to another amazing video, and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us. So make sure to stay till the end of the video so that you can fully see all the steps, processes and materials that I've used while making this beautiful and modern console table. Yeah, let's start the video. Welcome all to our channel All Things With Us. If you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them, commenting on them and sharing. I really do appreciate your continued support. So in today's video, I'm going to be making a console table which works as a decoration masterpiece in everyone's home. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is cutting all the pieces of MDF that I have. I'm going to be cutting them into sizes and shapes according to the design that I'm going to be making. So make sure to stay till the end of the video. Don't forward the video so that you can fully understand all the steps and how I did make this console table. So if you're new here, kindly subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. You can also visit our channel and watch more of our videos because we have a variety of videos whereby we do bed transformation, makeover videos, DIYs like this one and many more. So I'm sure there is something that you love in our videos. Anyway, I've been away for a while, and it's because I was just busy. I was working on something. Also, I was a bit sick, but now I'm well and I'm fully back with more videos, more content, and I have a lot for you guys. So I'm sure you will not get bored with our channel. So now that I'm almost done with the frame, that is the console frame, as you have seen, I hope you have followed all the steps and how I did make. So for the measurements for this console table, this part that I was making, the measurements was 100 centimeters, and from that part that I'm applying the wood glue to the end of the console is 20 centimeters. Also on the other side is 20 centimeters. So in total the console was 100 centimeters, and where that big gap at the in the middle, it's 60 centimeters. That is where I'm going to be placing the drawer, because it's going to have a drawer, and on each side where the measurements are 20 centimeters, I'm going to be making it fluted. And for making this floating, I usually use a 9mm MDF, and I use a rotor or a CNC machine to make the lines so that the piece of wood can curve and follow the curves on the edges of any piece that I'm making, like this one. So it will make it easier for you to just curve it around and follow the curvature of the piece you are working on. And then after that, I'm going to be using wood glue, as you have seen, and also 1-inch nails. And then for the width of this one, it was 14 inches, and then it has this place that I'm going to be placing the the drawer, it measures 7 inches. So that is basically the measurements that I've used, and you can just use any measurements that you want according to your desire. So for this one, those are the measurements that I did use. And now the whole frame is done, and this is the outcome. As you can see, that middle part where I'm going to be placing the drawer, the sides where I've just put that floating. So now this layer that I'm placing here is the one that I'm going to be putting a golden strap around it, but it will make more sense if you just follow the video till the end, so that you can see how I'm going to be making this console till the end. So make sure you stay tuned till the end, and then that will be the top of the console, and then I will be done. So now I'm attaching the gold strap, and I've already applied contact glue on the frame, also on the strap, so that it can attach itself there permanently. And then after that, you'll just see the next steps, which includes me priming the frame. I usually use a super fast water-based paint to prime these furnitures, and then I'll be using an acrylic-based paint using a machine. I'll be applying it on this one, and then I'll be making the stand where, or the legs for this console. But you'll see I'm going to be showing you all the steps till the final product. So if you have watched this video till this far and you haven't liked, kindly take a minute, like the video, comment on it, share with your friends and family, tell me what you think about this whole process. And if you have any question about anything about this video, kindly just comment in the comment section below, and I will get back to you, or I will answer your question. So now I'm just applying the first coat while priming it. You can see it's a super fast and water-based paint. Then after that, we are going to be painting it using a machine. Then after that, it will be done. So the client decided the theme of gold and black, so you will just see me painting the gold, the blacks, until I do finish this console. Anyway, like the video, don't forget to comment on it. I still insist on that, because it will help the video get pushed by the YouTube logarithm. So I will appreciate if you just like the video and comment on it. Thank you so much. So I will leave you to enjoy the video, and many videos are coming on your way. So make sure that you have subscribed, make sure that you have hit the notification bell, so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos like this and more. Enjoy the video. Peace out.
you